Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama here. We've got our 2023 show homes are starting to roll in. We've got this one finished. This is a 28 by 44. We're showing it in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is available in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath as well. We've got a clay color on the outside. That's a vinyl siding, guys. We've got the triple 30 by 61 windows in the front. We've got a 16-foot dormer over the door. This home has 2x6 walls. A 10-year structural warranty, 25 on the roof. On the outside, we've also added this Craftsman door. You'll see the 6 windows at the top. The standard door is a 6-panel door, but this gives it kind of some more character when you change up to the Craftsman door there. Let's go inside and check it out. Walking into this home, we're going to walk right into the very large 28-foot living room. Now, if this were a 3-bedroom version, that 3rd bedroom would be over there right in that area. But check this home out, guys. 1,173 square feet. We've got drywall on the walls. We've got an upgraded carpet on the floor. We've got white wrapped profile trim around the windows and the doors. I'm standing in the dining room now. Check out this view. This is a wide open floor plan. We've added a ceiling fan. Heading this way, we're heading towards bedroom 2. With a 30 by 61 window in here. These are vinyl dual paned, single hung windows. Right off of the living area, we've got the hall bath or the guest bath or the second bath, whatever you want to call it. "24-inch vanity with a 3-bulb light strip at the top. This is always our best price double wide. We put this home on sale many, many times throughout the year. Shoot me an email. My email's in the description below. I can get you on my mailing list. Let's talk about the kitchen now, guys. We added an appliance package in here. We've got the dishwasher, the microwave over the range, and a 21.2 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator. These are all Whirlpool appliances. Hardwood Destin white cabinets. We did a ceramic backsplash behind the stove. We've seen this in many of my videos. We opted for a gas stove in this home. Now, at the end of the year, we always sell off our show homes, and gas is predominantly the choice of most customers. That's why you're going to see it in our show homes, but it comes standard electric. We've added the cubbies there. A slider in the back. I always imagine if this was my house, I would build a very large deck out the back. I would have it wrap all the way around, leading out to a swimming pool. If I had my way. Here's the dining area. We also added some extra can lighting in the kitchen and dining area here. All right, headed this way into the master bedroom. Nice size master bedroom. 46 by 61 window. Also added a ceiling fan here. You're going to see in our show homes, we put ceiling fans in all the rooms because we like to keep the air flowing. This is a walk-through closet. I'm going to open the doors, but don't judge me. I've got some lamps stuffed in here and stuff. Some pictures. So it does reach all the way through. So if you have both doors open, you can walk all the way through it. Here is the master bathroom. We do have enough room in here. We did add a walk-in shower. That's a 2-seater. 1 seat for your butt, 1 for your shampoo. We've got the extended vanity here. Thunder on the floor. And again, we went with the 3-bulb light strip. Commode hiding back here behind the door. We also did an over-the-commode linen cabinet. Super excited for the 2023 models that are rolling in. You're going to see more videos here as I get through them, trying to get all the videos online. We still have some more homes coming. Here is the utility room. So we've got the side entrance, great area to place a garage. In the laundry area, we added the washer dryer cabinets there. And this home is peculiar. It's got this little nook right here. It's got a wire shelf and then just the perfect place to tuck away a lot of things, I guess. Boots, shoes, kitty litter boxes, vacuums. You could hang some hooks right there, place your coats. What a great house. If you like what you see, these are champion built homes. My information is in the description. I'm the mobile home mama. Give me a call. You won't be disappointed. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in.